What is good, you guys? This is Marl from the Project Lime Life, and today I'll be doing a massive sneaker unboxing. Like, literally. These boxes are massive. Thank you guys for dropping by the channel once again, and as said, today I will be doing my sneaker and apparel clothing unboxing from my pickups during the month of May. I know that some of the sneakers that I have here have or may have been already released in the US, but for some reason all of the sneaker releases here in the Philippines have been somewhat delayed. And the reason for that is because of the current situation we're having right now around the world regarding the COVID-19, which is why I'm only receiving these items, these sneakers, right now. And with that, you could also expect a delay in shipping with regards to your orders. Now, which is why my orders just arrived right now. But now that we finally have them, we can go straight into unboxing them, finally. To start things off, we'll start with the smallest pickup I've gotten and the most recent one too. Now, what you should know about me is I live in an area where there is a lot of outlet shops. And this item was actually bought off of one. And that is the Nike factory outlet. Now, I've actually gotten this item just a couple of days ago, and it was just about 2 weeks in when that shop opened. Now, before you rat me out on me touching these items, let me tell you first that I have already disinfected all of these items with alcohol. And so without further ado, let me just take out this item right here. And here it is. If you guys don't know, this is called the Jordan Rivals t-shirt. Now, in commemoration of The Last Dance and the GOAT Michael Jordan, I have decided to pick this up at the Nike factory outlet store. And when I saw the price, I just couldn't resist. And seeing that the availability of sizes left caters to me, I just knew I had to pick it up. So just some small details regarding the shirt. It is just a plain black t-shirt with Michael Jordan in the middle and kind of like a box logo, box picture. And I just find it so aesthetic and so easy to wear. And come on, you may have already seen The Last Dance, and if you didn't appreciate any one of those episodes, then I just don't know. Now, I've been meaning to do this to the channel for quite some time now, and I just didn't know how to bring it up properly, but I figured now would be a good time. If you are interested in me going to those outlets that I've said, checking things out, what's heat, the prices, how much you can get them, if you are interested in me doing that, you can tell me all about it in the comment section so that I would know if I should pursue it or not. I just like to know if any of you guys are interested in watching that, and that could be part of, I guess, a traveling vlog, because at the end of the day, we all want to save some money, and so this is just me trying to help you guys out. And with that being said, let's move on to the sneakers. Now, finally moving into the sneakers themselves, we'll start off with what's on top. So first thing that we have here is this white box, and this is kind of the first time I've been delivered something in a white box, because normally they always ship it in like the normal brown colored box. Now, I am still new to the game, as said during my past videos, so no, there won't be any flashy cutters or knives, supreme knives. I will just be relying on my faithful old pair of scissors right here. So I've taken out the plastic out of the first box. If you've been following me on Instagram, then you might have an idea of what I have picked up. Now, if you haven't followed me yet, I suggest you do for more sneaker, outfits, and even travel content. The first thing I see on the box, it is just plain white, but if you take a look closely, it is sealed at one point, and it does say sealed for your protection, for love of the game. Now, with that short slogan right there, you already may have an idea of what or where this sneaker came from. And let me just show you the seal so you all can see it. Now let's break out the seal. I'll pop open the box. Okay, cool. So there is another "For Love of the Game" text here underneath the box. Now we just get rid of the box because we just don't need that anymore. And so we are left with this Air Jordan box. Now I'm gonna give you a second to type your guess on what sneaker is inside this. So go type it down in the comment section down below. And now let's just pop the cover. Okay, so first we have this kind of postcard that says "For Love of the Game" with a Titan QR code saying thank you for your purchase from Titan 22. So thank you, Titan. I've actually scored this pair on their website when it released, and I was just thankful that I was notified real quick. And now taking out the piece of paper, there we go. Yes, yes, yes. What we have here is the Air Jordan 1 in the Royal Toe colorway, and this, to be honest, is only my second Jordan pair ever. First impressions of this sneaker is, yeah, I really do like the color blocking. I don't have any sneaker that has a royal toe color, so yeah, this is a pretty nice sneaker. And of course, it does come with this royal blue colored shoelaces, tumbled leather, got the Air Jordan wings in white. You got your leather tab here at the top with Nike Air in white. And so here you guys have it, a look at the Air Jordan 1 royal toe colorway. First sneaker is a success, and I think it is a good buy. Now, I won't be giving an in-depth review of each sneaker that I show to you guys right now. I will be making a different video for those, and the reason for that is if I do make an in-depth review all together with these, it's gonna take a long time, and I just know that you guys don't want to see that. You just want to see the pickups I've gotten. So we'll just show you the sneakers and then we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so moving on to the next sneaker, we have here the normal brown box we're also accustomed to, and it's still in this plastic. So let me just take it out for you guys. You know what? Taking out the plastic, it's so much harder than cutting open the box. Like, damn. Okay, so we finally managed to take out that plastic without breaking a sweat, miraculously. And now we have the box here. So as you can see, it is in this blue tape, and you can already see that it has the Adidas text on it, so I already know where I got this. So I'll just pop this box open. I really don't want to break or cut the sneaker box by mistake, so that's why I'm doing this very gently, because I do have a knack of exerting too much force whenever I cut boxes, which results to me breaking said shoe boxes, and it just hurts. Okay, so I finally opened the box, and I'm not gonna show you the top of the box because that would already be a dead giveaway of what sneaker I got. So instead, I'll just be showing you the side. So it does say Boost, which implies that it is a Yeezy sneaker. Now again, I would want you to put your guesses on the comment section down below which sneaker I got. Come on, type it right now before I give out the reveal. Okay, and now let me just show you the top of the box. So with just by that, you already know what kind of sneaker I got. This is the Adidas Yeezy Boost 380, and let me just pop the box out. Yes, nice. Yes guys, this is the Adidas Yeezy Boost 380 in the mist colorway, and my first genuine impression on this is I like the colors. It's so earthy, so different from any of the other Yeezys I've had or I'm accustomed to, and that would make sense because this has been one of the newest Yeezy silhouettes that has been released so far. And straight from the touch, man, it is different. It is, I guess it is a little bit thinner, the knit material, compared to the 350 V2s. And just look at that side though. A lot of people are hating on this side. I don't know, I kind of like it. You got your milky midsole revealing the Boost, got your tan laces, really nice. Got your gum outsole. Let me just take out the other shoe, and here you guys are. Now as you can see, this isn't the reflective pair, this is the non-reflective pair, but you know, it's okay. I don't really care if it is reflective or not. They all look the same without the flash. So now this sneaker in particular was the first sneaker I've ordered among the three, and it arrived the latest. Like literally, these sneakers just arrived today. It is the 30th, and I ordered these 14th. I think this in particular, I've been eyeing to get it, so I'm really happy I got this. Now let's move on to the last sneaker that we have picked up. Okay, so last but not least, we have the biggest box I had in the longest time. Actually, even ever. Like, take a look at this box. Could you imagine having one pair of sneakers here? Wait, it could be two. So it is still in this brown box that we're all so accustomed to. And let me just take out the plastic again. Okay, so I've managed to take out all the plastic. Look at this plastic, man. Yeah. And so again, we are greeted with the seal right here in the middle, the Titan seal. So let's just get this box open, shall we? It's weird that Titan package boxes are different. Like the ones for the royal toes are in white and this is brown. Ooh, okay, okay. There are a lot of sealed air and plastic all around it. Huh, that's a first. I'm sorry if I'm playing with these air bubbles, but you could see the shoebox over there already, so this is the last time I'm gonna ask you to do this. So put down your guesses now what sneaker I have here. Okay, but here is the shoebox. Still, you can still comment. Come on guys, I want to see your guesses. Get rid of the box. Okay, so we have here another Air Jordan 1 box, and you guys are probably locked in your answer already, so let's just take off the top. Got the top off. Let us just do this slowly. Let's take out the top slowly. Oh, there's another layer. And there you guys have it, another Air Jordan 1, and it is not other than the Court Purple 2.0. So here is the sneaker itself, a closer look for you guys. Now this is the sneaker that I have been eyeing to get to the most from all of the sneakers that I have shown, and the thing that I really love about it is the colorway. I like the purple used in this sneaker. The leather material is okay. I think it's the same with the royal toes. I really think this sneaker would make a fine addition to my collection, primarily because I don't own any sneaker that has purple in it. Now taking a look at the extra laces, we have the one aspect that is debated among the most with sneakerheads. Now I have seen a lot of reviews from different YouTubers, both famous and not famous, and a lot of them were kind of 50-50 with these. For me, it's kind of okay. It is in this, I like to say, tie-dye light purple hueish color, and if you take a look closely, it is not in one color. And again, one of the best things about this shoe is its simplicity. There's primarily two colors here. It's the white and the purple with a small black accent for the swoosh, the leather here at the back, and the tag here at the top, which is also in leather. Kind of the same with the royal toes as well. Now taking out both the shoes so that you can see it together. Now that all the sneakers have been unboxed, it is time to give my thanks and shout outs to both Adidas and Titan for helping me get these sneakers. Now it's not every day that I will take a W, but at a time like this, most especially during quarantine where everybody's at home and everybody relies on online, on e-commerce to cop sneakers, getting sneakers seems like an impossible task. But for me, I guess I was just lucky. I was blessed that I was able to cop not one, not two, but 3 sneakers, and I couldn't have done it without Adidas and Titan. So shout out to you guys, I am thankful. But now that I have finished unboxing all of these sneakers, I'd just like to say one last thing, and it is the reason why I did these unboxing video for you guys, other than for entertainment purposes, and it is to tell you guys on how I was able to cop these sneakers. And it brings me great joy and awe to tell you that I was able to cop all of these sneakers, all 3, through manual. Now I would like to tell you why that means so much. Now if you are a fellow sneakerhead, then you ought to know how hard it is to cop sneakers, most especially the hyped up ones. And trying to get highly coveted sneakers has been a very impossible task. But if you are watching and you are a new sneakerhead such as myself, I just like to tell you that there are a lot of ways for you to win, and all it takes is just proper preparation and determination. When I was new, I really didn't know anything at all on how to cop sneakers, and little by little you learn a little bit, a thing or two, and when you get a taste of that sweet W, it just means the world. And right now I have 3 of them, so I'm basically on cloud 9. But that concludes today's video. Thank you guys for watching again. If you are new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed, please do. I really do appreciate it, and give this video a thumbs up. And once again, I will be giving an in-depth review on each of the sneakers I have shown to you guys today. And if you are interested in watching those, I highly suggest you also click that notification bell so that you are 100% updated with these kinds of videos. But with that being said, this has been more from the Project Limelife. It's been great talking to you guys. I'll see you all in the next video. As always, stay safe and God bless.